everyone. Welcome to Prague here in the Czech Republic. New country unlocked.
This is a brand new country for our vlog. This is number 34 out of 46 in our quest to visit every country in Europe.
We're getting there. Not our first time in Prague, first time on the vlog with you, friendly viewers. We are here for the Christmas markets.
We love this city, and so we decided to start up here at the castle, and behind us is St. Vitus Cathedral.
It's amazing. You got this Gothic cathedral inside the castle and a big Christmas tree. Katrina called it droopy.
But like beautiful droopy. Like I like the sad looking Christmas trees.
Let's go get to the markets.
Let's go. I need some mulled wine.
Pretty good views up here from where the castle sits. You could do literally whole videos and vlogs up here just of the castle grounds, cathedral, and maybe we will someday.
We might. We thought about it, but instead we're just gonna focus purely on Christmas markets this time.
I'm excited. 'Tis the season.
Let's go.
Interesting things you can do here in Prague is come visit the nutrias. Do you know what a nutria is?
It looks like a beaver and like a
rat,
like a marmot kind of thing.
They refer to them as giant river rodents here, and we found one. They can bite because they're just a wild animal, but kids are petting them.
I was gonna say, what were we seeing everybody doing? Petting
and
it.
Feeding them, and they're super tame. They're here for the food. It's so fun and weird.
It's interesting because when we were here in 2019, the first time we came here, there was probably 10 of them, 15 of them, like a bunch, and a bunch of swans. And now I guess the birds have just like chased them off. Christmas markets.
I kind of want to pet it.
Don't contribute to the problem.
Is it a problem?
I don't know. It could be, I guess.
I kind of love him. And he loves me.
Can we take him home?
Yeah, let's take him home. New pet. It is festive. Prague is one of my favorite cities in the world.
It is a very beautiful, fun, awesome city.
You should go dance.
Okay. This scarf is like eating my face slowly. It's like creeping up.
Oh no.
At least I'm warm because it is quite chilly out here.
It's cold. We're on the steps of the Charles Bridge. We're walking up these steps to get onto the Charles Bridge.
The Charles Bridge, it links the old and the new towns together. So we're going across the river and we're going into the old town for Christmas markets, I swear.
Probably one of the most famous sites in all of Prague.
And allegedly there's a guy that goes around and manually lights all of the old lanterns and
One right there.
street lanterns that are up here. So maybe we get a glimpse of that here. Let's hope. Gold sword by this guy like creeping back here off of the bridge. I like it. We see the lamplighter. He is starting down in the old town and making his way down here, but we're gonna walk and meet him. We waited like 20 minutes for this.
my gosh, we're here and we have food.
Finally, we thought we were gonna be eating at a Christmas market like 3 hours ago, and so we're quite hungry.
We didn't really eat breakfast. We skipped lunch completely, and now food. It's packed.
It's
packed.
so busy. We're here on a Sunday night. It's the first weekend that these markets in Prague have opened. This is the main square that we're down in.
Sure.
Whatever. Anyways,
Yes,
let's eat.
we're in the main square. Old Town.
Old
Prague.
Town, yeah.
Sausage. Let's do this.
Feed me.
It's beautiful here. It's crowded. It's lit pretty. There's a gorgeous Christmas tree we'll show you. There's a lot of food. There's cute stalls, cute markets, cute girl with the camera. People staring at us like crazy.
Right?
People who have been following the vlog have actually pointed out on our little map where we show the countries where we've been on the vlog. How have you not been to the Czech Republic or Czechia, depending on where you are and how you're saying it? We were kind of waiting for these markets this year. We had planned this out in advance. See, there is a method to the madness.
Not really, but I mean, in this case, there was, yeah.
There was.
That sausage was 9 out of 10 for me.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah.
This is the site of the magical, mythical 10 out of 10 sausage that we don't know if we can ever top.
But we're gonna, I think, try and find that while we're here, so.
We'll let you know. Throw that up on Patreon if we
Yeah,
find
we'll
it.
let you know. My hands are freezing, so now it is time for the first mulled wine of the night and of the season. Nuts about nuts. The tree is beautiful. I am a big fan of Christmas trees that have the lights going down like every single branch, and this one does, and it has little twinkly lights on it, and it's gigantic, and it's beautiful.
Okay, so we got Old Prague ham. Old Prague ham is a thing. It's famous for its pink texture and color and the fattiness of it. That's far too much fat for me normally, but we're gonna try. Eating and standing is a problem. They give you a slice of bread, they weigh your portion of ham, so you don't really know what you're paying for it until it was weighed. This was over 12 euros for this ham. We'll see. It looks really good though. That's far too much, but here we are. That's really good. It's cooked over those open coals in the wood right there on the spit. It's kind of perfect. It's nice. The texture's good. It's juicy. Just a plain kind of a brown bread with it. Works out nicely. Prague ham. Old Prague ham.
When in Prague.
When in Prague.
Šťastné, klidné.
That takes talent. And also, I used to play the triangle when I was in 3rd grade. So, I'll let you know.
We have accordion music.
Always. I like it. In the right setting, I'm all for it.
Christmas accordion music.
All right? Tour continues at the Prague Christmas markets. I will say, if you come here on a weekend, just be prepared to wait in line a little bit, and some of your stuff might not exactly be hot, but that's okay.
We never order these.
We never order these, and they always look so cool and like fun, and so I just was like, let's get one of these this time. I'm not even quite sure how you're supposed to eat them. It's just a spiral potato, which is a feat in and of itself. Oh my God. This tastes like it was put in the freezer.
Oh, it's cold. It's absolutely cold.
Freezers are usually cold.
That's ridiculous. We just got that. That's a fail.
Yeah, that kind of sucks. Plus, there was a guy that cut right in front of me, and when I told him that he cut, he didn't care and just paid for his potato. This is not good.
It's cold.
Sorry.
Boo.
Fail. 0. 0 out of 10. Savory food, but I need something sweet, so we got a trdelník or a chimney cake. It's dough that they wrap around a mold and put it on a spit, and it turns and turns and it gets nice and golden brown. That didn't get golden brown, but it's close. So it's doughy in the middle and crispy on the outside, and I love these.
This one was rolled in almonds and sugar and vanilla.
So I've noticed that here they seem to roll it in almonds instead of just sugar. Sometimes cinnamon, maybe? Maybe it's just sugar. Anyways, fantastic, sweet overload. And this is for the walk to the next market, which is in Wenceslas Square.
I gotta tell you, this is rivaling Cologne for crowds right now. It is so busy out here.
And it's still early. It's only 6 o'clock.
And it feels like 10 p.m. because it gets dark so early right now. It is, like, this crowd is nuts.
You know whose fault this is?
People like us.
Vloggers.
Silly vloggers.
People that make vlogs about Christmas markets. To tell you how beautiful it is, and the trdelníks are so good, and chimney cakes are yummy. It's our fault.
Our flight from Amsterdam to Prague was like all Americans.
Pretty much. Talking about football.
Oh, and they're all here with us today.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw, America.
Souvenir store.
Found the other market in the square, which name I can't remember nor probably pronounce very well. What's the name of this square?
Oh, it's being funny.
Oh, I didn't know.
Why is it so close?
Why are you so tall? She wore the tallest boots she's ever worn in the history of boots to make me look short. Merry Christmas, Nate.
Merry Christmas, Nate.
That's right. What's the name of this square?
Wenceslas Square. Like good King Wenceslas looked down.
Oh, you're gonna sing for us?
That's a Christmas song, Nate.
I know the melody, I just didn't know the actual words.
Well, this is his square.
It looks like a lot of the same stands as in the main square.
Yeah, but
Not all of them.
Look at the trees, though. Every tree has little like blinky lights on it, and the main Christmas tree is beautiful. It has stars on it, which is like really cute, and I like it. And we're gonna find more food.
Yes, we are.
This place also has more than just food. It also has trinkets and stuff like that.
I hadn't noticed.
We don't buy trinkets.
I don't think tonight is the night I break my lifetime no figure skating. Figure skating? Ice skating. I'm gonna do pirouettes and stuff. No, ice skating. I've never ice skated in my life.
I have. I like it. I think it's fun, but it has been many years, and so
I would hurt myself so bad.
I might too. It sucks getting old, doesn't it?
Man,
I think before this vlog ends, like not this particular vlog, but like our vlogging
the YouTube
careers,
channel.
I want to get you on an ice rink and like skating.
We'll see.
Maybe a pirouette or something.
We'll see. Maybe at 100,000 subscribers.
Oh my God! If you're not subscribed already, please let's get there. Let's go.
All right, we found the second area over here. We've walked it. We have not ice skated.
I love how you won't say the name of the square.
Oh, I don't know it. I have no idea. It starts with a W.
Yeah, good job. It's easy to walk from the Old Town Square Market that we were just at. 5 minutes, 8 minutes maybe. This seems to be very food heavy over here. I know I said that there were a lot of trinkets, but I mean, if you want food all in one spot, I think the Wenceslas Square is the place to come.
There's much more space to walk around over here. Yeah, that old town square is like,
But I mean, that's the backdrop you want, you know.
This backdrop's nice, come on.
But that's like the main one over there, and then they have like a couple other ones around, and the Wenceslas Square one is one of those other markets.
There's some satellite markets around town. We're not done in the Czech Republic though.
We are not.
We are not. We are actually renting a car and driving west to a smaller town, a much more relaxed vibe, and we're pretty excited about it. Somewhere we've never been.
I'm excited to have there be less crowds, definitely. But still Christmas markets.
So I think that's going to be exciting. You'll see that next week. I want to thank you all for joining us. The light has turned on us here for some reason.
Oh no. There we go. We're back.
And we're back. And we're leaving.
Let us know where you're heading for Christmas markets this year, or where you've been, and where we should go next. Bye.